Have you ever wondered how Fiverr works? How it can be a game changer for freelancers around the globe? Today, we're going to answer some frequently asked questions about this popular freelancing platform. First off, if you're just starting on Fiverr, you can offer up to 7 gigs. This gives you the opportunity to showcase a variety of skills and services. Also, each gig can include up to 3 images, helping you to visually demonstrate your offerings. Now let's talk about payments. Once you've completed a job, the payment will be added to your original account dollars after 14 days. And the minimum withdrawal amount? It's $30 for Payoneer Revenue Card, $20 for bank transfer, and just $1 for PayPal. Account verification is another important aspect of Fiverr. You'll need to verify your account after you've completed 2 to 3 tasks. And if you don't have a passport or NID card, don't worry. You can use the passport or NID of someone in your household. Now let's discuss a few do's and don'ts. Copying someone else's gig is a definite no-no. However, you can certainly draw inspiration and ideas from other gigs. Also, you can use someone else's gig title. You might be wondering about changing your profile picture. Will it affect your gig rank? The answer is no. You can freely change your profile picture without worrying about losing gig rank. If you're wondering why you received $8 for a $10 job, remember that Fiverr charges a 20% service fee. And yes, you can log into your Fiverr account on both your mobile and laptop simultaneously. But using multiple accounts on the same device is not advisable. As a seller, you can certainly buy services from other Fiverr sellers. And while you can send messages from a seller account to another seller account, it's better to avoid this unless it's work-related. Can you discuss work with clients over Zoom or Google Meet? Absolutely. But discussing payments outside of Fiverr is strictly prohibited. To check if your gig is ranked, simply search with keywords related to your service. After you complete a job, your client has up to 14 days to leave a review. While you can't directly ask for a review, you can certainly encourage clients to share their experience working with you. So, there you have it, a quick rundown of some of the most common questions about Fiverr. Remember, it's a platform that offers immense opportunities for freelancers. Navigate it wisely, and it can truly be a game changer for you. Until next time, happy freelancing!